everybody, welcome to Avalon Insurance Group Q&A with Amanda G. So we're here today to answer any insurance questions you may have. A couple of things that have recently been brought to our attention is personal property replacement cost versus actual cash value. You'll commonly see it on quotes as PPRC or ACV. So personal property replacement cost is when you get the full replacement value for your contents up to your policy limits. For example, if you bought a TV 2 years ago and paid $500, but today that same TV is $800, you will receive the $800 as long as it's within your policy guideline and a covered loss. So if you have actual cash value and you bought that same TV and it was $500 then, they're going to depreciate that value and maybe only give you back $300. This is an important thing to watch for on quotes as it's not always included. We look forward to more questions in more time. Have a great day.